Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to personalize these baby clothing using this Cricut easypress mini for the first time. If you haven't watched my previous video where I unboxed this Cricut easypress, I'll leave a link to it in the description bar below. This easypress is perfect for small projects like labeling, custom labeling. I did that in my previous video as well, so you can check that out. And because these are so small, these bodysuits are so small, I think it would be the perfect one to use as well. So yeah, I'm gonna test it out and see how it goes, and I'll let you know what I think of it at the end of this video. So keep on watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you find anything in this video useful. Whenever you are using this easypress mini or any Cricut easypress machine, you'll need a heat press mat. I didn't buy a heat press mat with this easypress mini, so I'll be using the heat press mat that came with the heat press machine. It's just a substitute for now, but I will definitely be investing in the heat press mat that is the size of this heat press mini. I know I'm saying heat press, but I really hope everyone is following me at the moment. So now I always lint roll the garment before I put the vinyl on, just to get rid of any hairs or any fibers that might be on the clothing. I made all my design on Canva using the free version. They do have Canva Pro as well. After I've done this on Canva, I'll upload it to the Cricut here too, and then that's where I'll cut out the design. I use two techniques when doing this. So on this one, I just use it as an iron. I just glide the easypress over the vinyl, but on the other design I'll show you what I did for the second technique. I normally do this for about 15 to 30 seconds on each design. I also use this Teflon paper as a barrier between the vinyl and the easypress machine. Right now I'm peeling off the vinyl, and then I'm going back in with the Teflon paper, and then I'll press it again just to seal that in for another 15 to 30 seconds. I am very happy with how this came out using the easypress mini. As I've been saying before, the Cricut easypress mini is so good for small projects. In my previous video I used it to label some small drawstring bags. I think they were 5 by 4 inches or 5 by 3 inches. This Cricut easypress, it does wonders for me at the moment. I'm sitting in my room and I'm personalizing face-to-face orders. I wouldn't use it to iron clothing because it's very time consuming. Yeah, so right now I'm doing the other design. I'm going to heat press my second design, and this is where I'll tell you about the second technique. So what I do is I'll hold the easypress mini on each word for 15 seconds, and after I've completed each word for 15 seconds, and then I'll go over the entire design for 30 seconds. This method can be time consuming, but it works. Another option for this Cricut easypress mini is that you can go, if you're doing like baby clothing, you can go a size up from this one because they've got a large one. They've got a 12 by 10 inch, 9 by 9 inch, and another one. I'm not really sure. I don't really remember that size. And then this easypress mini. So yeah, you can buy the one that suits you. But if you're starting off, these are the simplest one that I think you can start off with. It's very easy to use, no hassle. You just turn it on and wait for it to turn green, and that's when you know that it's ready to be used. Right now I'm just inspecting it to ensure that nothing's lifting. I always like to do that just in case just in case I've missed anything. I am about to put it on the wrong side and then I'll heat press it again just to lock it in, just to be safe, you know. This is just a extra precaution that I like to take just to ensure that my things are durable, last longer, and the letters are not washed off the first wash they get in the machine. So I always do this, and I recommend that everyone inspect their garments before sending them out, even though, you know, yeah. So while I was inspecting my design, I realized that I did miss out something. So this is what I'm going to weed at the moment, because I noticed that it was incomplete and was like, why does this design look like this? So now I found the vinyl that I was looking for. So this is meant to be a part of this design. So yeah, I'm just going to add that, and then I'll get back to you at the end of the video. And remember, you don't have to support by buying, but you can support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to this channel. Yeah, subscribe for more videos like this, because I've got a lot of videos coming in the future. So yeah, continue watching, and I'll get back to you at the end of this video. So yes, this video was just to show you that you can in fact use the Cricut easypress mini to personalize your clothing, whether it's smaller project, custom labeling, as I said before. Yeah, so in the other video I'll show you how I package these baby bodysuits, and I'll also be personalizing some other baby bodysuits as well, and I'll use the heat press to press those. As you can see right there, I'll use the e-press to press those bodysuit, and I'll show you how I do it. Then I'll package them and you see all of that. So like, comment, and subscribe for all this content, people. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.